please obtain the latest version of Memorization Professional from our website. Just like any other program being installed, upon running the installation file, you will be prompted by Windows User Account Control if it is okay for Memorization Professional setup to make changes to your computer. In this case, our software includes a trusted code signed certificate which verifies it to be free of viruses, malware, spyware, and so forth. Just select Yes to continue the installation. The Memorization Professional Setup Wizard appears. This gives you the version of the program and prompts you to close other programs for a clean installation. Click Next to continue. The license agreement appears. Memorization Professional is owned by RunRight Software, and you are only licensed to use it and must accept the agreement within the scrolling document area to install it. Please read the agreement, which is similar to most other software vendor agreements, and then check I accept the agreement in order for the next option to be valid. Clicking on Next brings up the Start menu selection. It is suggested that you keep this setting as Memorization Professional and click Next. If a Memorization Professional desktop icon is already installed, you will not need to check Create a Desktop Icon. Click Next to continue. Now Memorization Professional is ready to install, showing you the installation settings. Click on Install to install Memorization Professional with all of its associated files. The installation proceeds. The program includes a lot of files, graphics, and pre-configured projects. All of these install within several seconds. The information window appears. Make sure to read the notes within the scrolling document. It shows the most recent changes and other pertinent information about the program. This information file may be opened anytime from within Memorization Professional's program directory. Click Next to continue. This is the last dialog of setup, which will allow you to immediately launch Memorization Professional, or you may uncheck this option if you wish to run it later. Upon clicking Finish and after a second or two, Memorization Professional's splash screen will appear. It first initializes both audio and text-to-speech. If there is any problem with either, a message will let you know. After this, the splash screen prompts you to click its window Continue, or press R to reset. Please see the video Resetting MemPro for more information about resetting. Upon clicking the splash screen, and this is the initial installation and not an update, you will be prompted to enter an admin password, which is case sensitive. Please remember this password. You will need to verify the admin password by entering it again. Also, if this is the initial installation and not an update, the next dialog asks if you wish to protect users and their projects with passwords. If you are the only user on your machine, you do not need to do this unless you desire. This feature is primarily available for administrators who install the program on one or more computers in a school environment. Please see the video Using User Passwords. If this is the initial installation and not an update, you will need to enter a unique user name, such as your first name. In a school setting, you would enter your last name, a space, and then your first name. If you are connected to the Internet, our thank you page opens. Please read any notes that appear on that page. Sometimes a note will appear as to one or more known issues with the program that are being corrected. Next, on your desktop, a dialog will appear letting you know whether you have the latest version or not. If not, you will be prompted if you would like to download the latest version. If so, and when answering yes, that installation file will be downloaded to your desktop. Simply follow the instructions from the start of this video to install it. Upon clicking OK, you will be brought to the main menu, unless you chose to use user passwords. In that case, the user selection window will open where you must select the user and enter the user password. If you are the administrator, then you must enter the same password as the administrator. This is the only way that Memorization Professional knows that you are the administrator. For some options are available only for the administrator. And that's how you install or update Memorization Professional. Thank you for installing and using Memorization Professional.